This 2020 Grand Design Solitude S-CLASS 2930RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 34 feet 4 inches in length and features sleep 6, oven, stove-top burner, DVD player, awning, smoke detector, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, skylight, leveling jacks, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Grand Design Solitude S-CLASS 2930RL is 11,442 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.